Okay, this is the Nyoh Nyah, but in the thirds. So we're going to be doing very hooty. Think hooty. Take a suppressed yawn if you need to figure that out where to put that sound. Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh. So it's Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh. And go right to the Nyoh and Nyah, like with your lips. Make sure you're creating a really pure vowel. Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh Nyah, Nyoh. Because that's going to funnel the sound and make the sound a lot purer.